Shout out DG Prada, you hear me?
What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to make your own beat videos / visualizers for YouTube. It's good for marketing, good eye candy for your beats. You might make some sales off it, get your YouTube running and going for beats. So yeah, and this is all within FL, which is very cool. So let's get to it. So you're going to need FL. So open FL, and you know how Fruity Limiter is always there. We're just going to take that out. That's going to mess with our exporting process and mess up the quality. Okay, so this application is called ZGameEditor. Everybody has this in FL. It's stock, you don't have to buy it, so that's good to hear. So first we're going to need a beat. Let's get a beat. Let's go to the beat folder. Let's take anyone. 193 BPM. This looks like some oh, it didn't want to drag. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got our beat. It said 193 BPM. Okay, this is some like Detroit vibes. Okay, so now that we got our beat, we got our program, ZGameEditor, and you're going to open Google. We got to get ourselves a photo. Say EBK Young Jock, type beat, Young Jock. Okay, so let's take the first one. It's good, pretty good quality. We're going to save that. Make sure you always know where you're saving your pictures to as well. So we're going to make a little folder, YouTube videos. Cool. EBK Young Jock type beat. Okay, so now we got that saved. We're going to go back to ZGameEditor. Open that up. Put ZGameEditor on your master, so it just keeps you organized. Basically, so we're going to go here. We're going to import the photo here. So we're going to actually go to images, go to add pictures, go to wherever your folder was, YouTube videos. Okay, double click it. Now we're gonna go to, this is your like mixer. Look at this, is like your mixer for ZGameEditor. You're gonna add effects to this, so we're gonna go here and open, we're gonna go to image. This is gonna let you create an image. This is the image box, so this shows you that you have a picture that can set here, but no picture is set. So we're gonna put the picture there. Boom, that should pop up. I like to detach it. You can detach it. Okay, so the size is not always gonna fit. That's why I like to use longer pictures. If there is, it just keeps the quality without stretching it. But we're gonna have to work with it. So we're gonna stretch it. You could also do height. Make sure your height, always do height. That's always, height is always gonna can mess with you sometimes. You might not, it might, some pictures might already be sized to the height. Sometimes you gotta stretch it, but you can stretch it however you want. Just, you see how it takes the quality away. Okay, so we're just gonna add some effects. So this was one of my little tricks. You just kind of tap right until something pops up. This is when I first started. I used to do this. It's called the tap trick. So this is cool. We got some stars. It looks like you could also do the same thing. Size. We could lightness. Maybe change the color. I think one of these saturation. Yeah, that changes. Oh, see red. That's cool. That's pretty cool. So we'll keep that. So now we want to put some context over it. So we're gonna go to text. Type in whatever your beat is. EBK Young Jock type beat. So whatever you type in here is actually going to pop up right when you make another section. You make another section called text draw. Put text draw in there and it's automatically going to pop up. You're going to have to resize it too, so maybe drop it down a little and maybe try to keep it in the black, because white lettering over whites, it's really hard to see. You can also change the font. Oh, I like that one. That one's pretty clean. Yeah, we can move it wherever, put it right there. You can add a little this picture's kind of hard just because all the whiting. You got a little glitch to it. There's a cool effect. Glitch. That one's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is just basic. We can go more in depth on effects. There's another one I like. It's called Polar. Should be in here somewhere. Yeah, it's called Polar. This one's pretty cool. I like to center this over faces if there is. So when you play the beat, this is what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna move it left, move it up, down, kind of go right over his face. You can also change the Polaroids on that, the little lines on it. I think it's this one. Yep. So you can go in and out with this. See how it's in. I like to go out. Maybe a little in between. That's cool. There we go. So now we can change that red. Another cool one that I like to use is audio shake. It actually shakes the picture, like it makes it bump forward to your base or to whatever you have it set up to. So audio, it's called audio shake under post process. You're gonna put audio shake. Watch out because the amount is extremely large. I like to put it on 1%. Feel me? So yeah, what? Okay. Yeah, that's cool. You can just keep, like I said, you just keep clicking right till you find something. So there's a lot of nonsense on here, but you can find something that you like. Like these are pretty cool. I like messing with these. You can do a lot with these. I'll put one more effect and then I'll move on. You can really go in depth with all of these too, the ones I'm passing through. Oh, I like this one. The core dump looks like hacker kind of. That's hard. Kind of too much though, but you guys get the point. So basically, once you have your video, you could actually make any of these automation clips just as you would when you're making beats on FL. So you could actually take one of these and say, let's say the red stars, you want to make them white but you want them to turn red. Creation, oh shoot, creation, move this back, make this go up. Now watch this. So they start to turn red. They're white at first, but they start to turn red. So yeah, that's cool. That's a good effect. I'm gonna show you guys how to export. This is just kind of a basic tutorial. I'm gonna get more, do a more in-depth one with more effects and how to really do this. Because once you make these on your own, you could actually sell these online as templates for other producers, and it's a good way to make some extra money. So we got all that. Okay. Images, showed you guys how to do images, showed you how to put the text. Okay, so now let's go to export. If you have a beast computer, I would recommend setting these not all the way up, just whatever you feel comfortable with. I'd like to do 60 frames per second. If you, depends what kind of laptop you have. I would go with 1920 by 1080. They got preset that mine's actually set up to. It's called YouTube HD. Just click that. You could change all this. I know you guys are freaks when it comes to this. A lot of you are, so you could change it to whatever's a good number. Yeah, once you do that, you're good to go. If you guys have any questions on anything else, any tutorials, questions, business related, just ask. I'll do a tutorial or a video on it. And yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. Let's keep this going. Digiprada out.